questions too. We found that the snake. I asked to everybody, what about your fear is finished or not? My logic is that fear is more increasing when you see the snake, not the finish. I'm not agree with them. I'm not agree with the philosopher Rene Descartes in the question. Suspicion is automatically starting from the fear. Jealous, some kind of human behavior is directed by the fear. I request to everybody, you have to use it in your practical life. Somebody is the greedy. This is also one kind of human behavior, greediness. What is the behind this greediness? I think there is a fear of unsecure life. So, when we already we have the fear, then we try to escape, we try to exit, and it is our the try every time. When I study about this one, then I come to conclusion, most of the organization of the world, most of the government of the world, most of the hospitals of the world, most of the soldiers, police, court, everything is established for the minimize our fear or just control our fear. Example, last time there was a very big case in the Delhi, the raping case. And I heard that there is no death penalty in the Indian constitution, Indian law. But everybody is asking, demanding to make a death penalty, death punishment. Government is not still, doing anything that. But if there is coming the death penalty, if somebody has a rape case or somebody has a case, government make the rules for those criminals, they will be punished like a death. What is the effect? Why this rule is coming in the society and the country? It has two sides. One is create the fear, one is minimize the fear. Always, like the police, like I say soldier, they have two sides. One is to create more fear to those persons who are criminals, who are the enemies of the society, like thieves, like robbers, like the killers. That when the big or the strong law coming in the country, they control or they reduce their activities. They are not killing anymore, or less the number of the killing, because of that strong law. And another side is one strong law coming, like so many ladies are sitting here, like a strong law coming to the rappers. They feel more secure. It gives more security to those ladies who are afraid to be a rap. So it means it has two sides. To create more to those who are the enemies of the society, and it is minimize the fear of the normal people of the society. Individual the fear. Somebody has individual fear. Individual the fear is coming from the threatening, so many things. But I used to say we have a three way to be exit from the fear. And the same kind of the solution is given in the Buddhism. I think so many people here sitting in the Buddhism, from the sad or the sorrow, how to get out from the sad or the sorrow. He said, three ways. First, we have to face the sadness or the problem. Secondly, we have to escape. Like we are sitting in the, we are walking in some forest. We see the tiger. Tiger is coming on the way. And to facing the solve this problem, we have the three ways. This is the Buddhism said. Either we have to face with the tiger, or we have to escape from the tiger, or we have to make the tiger into the cat. Can we make the tiger into the cat or not? It is possible or not? I said it is possible. Because this tiger, some kind of big problems, fear or the sadness, is the product of our mind. From your mind, you say, like you have the big problem, like economic problem, loan problem, or somebody threatening you, or we have to make it like a normal. How to make a normal? That is the tiger make to the cat. Similarly, the formula, this kind of technique we can also use in the fearism. We have the fear of so many kinds. Like very simply, I give you the example. I have borrowed the money from some of my friends. Some of them, my friend can be different kinds. He can be the good man, he can be the danger man, he can be the killer man, he can be the kidnapper man. It depends on. But we have to just assume it like a normal. He is asking me to return my money back. First time he used normal words, then he started threatening words. He started threatening. When threatening coming to anybody, we start to afraid, we have to be feared. So, anyhow we have to face that problem. First, we have to return his money. Secondly, we have to escape from him very far away. He can never meet us. We have to leave the country, we have to leave the place. Third, if we cannot pay all the money on time, we can make the installment basis. We try to convince him, I cannot give you all your money this time. This is very normal. But some of the people not doing like this. They escape, they're frightened, and so many people is also suicide. And they have some psychological problem as well. So this fear can be used like a very normal. I said to minimize our fear, there is a hospital, there is a police, there is a soldiers, courts. We can think one thing. If there is no hospitals in society, what happened? Or if there is no police in our area, what happened? It is automatically start to more fear. Last 10 years before, in Nepal, there was a civil war. Maybe some other place in the Assam and Northeast India, there is also civil war. And when there is a more number of killing, more number of violence, I got the cheat, and what I have in the philosophy of fearism, I mentioned in my notes, my books. And if you have any questions, maybe we can discuss later on, or individually, or after the finish our program, we have to keep in contact. But before I'm going here, I want to just tell some of the very small things. This fearism is the creation. This fearism is looking to the medical science. This fearism is looking at the criticism. And this fearism is fearism itself and deep philosophy. I want to use this word deep philosophy, and very literally I want to explain is, on the base of the fearism, we can reopen the account of the established philosophy of the world. Like Darwin's theory, I have given in that paper, like a Marxist theory, like a Maslow's theory, and postmodernism, and so many. I want to just give one example only. Maslow's theory. Abraham Maslow is the one psychologist. This philosophy is in the course in Nepal. And according to the Maslow's theory, we have a hierarchy of needs. Hierarchy of needs, there's 5 steps. We don't have the food, lodging, eating. We have to just try to have a lodging and food in. Then we start to maintain the standard of life. The question is coming, richest man of the world is more, his life is more unsecure, on peace than our life. That means the property assets is not the solution of our life. The minimization of fear is the main root cause. If he cannot minimize his fear, even he has billions and dollars, he cannot do anything. His life is not very peace. We, in the record, we see that I said before also, number of the richest men, billionaires, people are dying, doing suicide, and they have medical problems. And it is my argument that fear can create so many diseases. So now we need fear hospital,